Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po at ngayon lang po tayo naka-update dito sa ating YouTube channel dahil na-busy po tayo mga kapolitika. Pero babawi po tayo sa ating mga talakayan patungkol pa rin dito kay Sofronio Vazquez. So ating pag-uusapan in this video, yung inyong napanood mga kapolitika ay patikim lamang doon sa ating ipi-play dito in the latter part of this video, ang performance ng nag-iisang soul diva na si Jaya. So di ba nag-duet sila ni Sofronio doon sa Bal Theater sa San Leandro, California na concert, and we hope na hindi ito yung una at huling appearance ni Jaya dito sa mga concerts ni Sofronio. We are hoping na sa mga susunod na mga live event ni Sofronio ay makaduet niya naman itong isa sa pinakamagaling na singer ng ating bansa. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At nag-appear nga po itong si Jaya dito sa performance ni Sofronio Vazquez doon sa Bal Theater sa California. And inaabangan rin po natin yung mga concert ni Sofronio in the following days. Kasi kanina mga kapolitika ay nag-inspect na po itong team ni Sofronio Vazquez dito sa Hiram Johnson kasi meron siyang concert nga ngayong March 29 dito sa Sacramento naman po ito. Okay, so 7 PM yung kanyang maging concert dito sa Sacramento sa California. So basically ay masasaksihan na naman po natin ang umaatikabong performance ng ating world phenom no other Sofronio Vazquez. At atin po palang i-play in the latter part of this video yung longer version ng performance ni Jaya dito sa concert ni Sofronio Vazquez sa San Leandro sa California. Kasi merong nag-request doon sa ating mga naunang video na i-play daw natin yung concert or yung performance ni Jaya dito sa concert ni Sofronio. Meanwhile mga kapolitika ay napareact po itong si Sofronio Vazquez dito sa post ng Kapamilya Updates na kung saan ay sinabi ni Ogie Alcacid ito daw tawag ng tanghalan, ito ang pinakamahirap na singing contest sa buong mundo. So napareact dito si Sofronio Vazquez, sabi niya yung maiyak ka na lang kasi gusto mo na mag-aral ng song pero may VTR shoot pa. So pabiro itong reaksyon ni Sofronio Vazquez. So sabi dito, Ogie Alcacid sinasabing ang tawag ng tanghalan ang pinakamahirap na singing contest sa buong mundo. Alam niyo po, itong tawag ng tanghalan, ito ang pinakamahirap na singing contest sa buong mundo, dare I say. I think all of you would agree, it stands the test of time, sabi ni Ogie Alcacid. So ito yung opinion ni Ogie dito sa tawag ng tanghalan na ito daw yung pinakamahirap na singing contest sa buong mundo, which I believe and I agree mga kapultiya, kasi hindi mo talaga mapipredict kung sino yung mananalo. And doon sa mga previous years nga na season ng tawag ng tanghalan ay masasabi natin napakaraming magagaling, talagang sasakit ang ulo ng mga judges kung sino yung ipapanalo nila. At minsan ay majority wins na rin, minsan ay yung hindi inaasahan or in-expect ng madlang people, yun ang nananalo. Kung kaya siguro sinasabi ni Ogie Alcacid na ito yung pinakamahirap na singing contest sa buong mundo. So yun po ang ating maging reaksyon sa sinabi ni Ogie. Samantala, spotted rin po itong si Sofronio na kung saan ay merong pinost itong isa sa kanyang mga kaibigan dito sa isang restaurant, and today lang po itong kuha na ito mga kapolitika. Okay, so hindi po natin alam, wala pa tayong lead kung saang state na mamalagi itong si Sofronio Vazquez. But wag po kayong mag-alala dahil once magkaroon tayo ng lead kung ano ang mga susunod na ganap ni Sofronio, ay update ko kayo on the spot, real time dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kung kaya patuloy lang po kayong nakaantabay at dito sa ating mga videos na ina-upload. So mga kapolitika, narito ang performance ng nag-iisang soul diva na si Jaya dito sa concert ni Sofronio Vazquez sa San Leandro sa California.
Great alam sa Lorraine Soul Music, inagaan natin lahat inimbitan sa larangan ng pagkanta. Sabihin tayo sa kanyang galing bilang host ng iba't-ibang TV shows at pagkinaling sa larangan ng pag-arte. 25 taon nang namamayagpag sa industriya ng musika at telebisyon, Queen of Soul, Jaya. The Queen
Magandang gabi po. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm loving, of course, all American and Filipinos. And to the Filipinos, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. To everyone else that cannot speak and do not speak the Philippine language, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How y'all doing this evening? I'm not a comedian, I'm a singer. My mom was a comedian, right? The Filipinos know her. Elizabeth Ramsey, right? She's here, Ma. I know, she passed away. Yes, I'm so sorry. Her spirit is here. Yes. She's sitting next to you. So happy to be here. So Fronya and I have known each other since, I'm not sure, it's around 2018 probably, when I was one of the judges of Tawag ng Tanghalan. That's where I saw and witnessed the greatness of Sophronia. But I knew something bigger was in store for him. God had His perfect timing for him. And I'm glad to see everyone here supporting Sophronia Vasquez! At dahil po dyan, mamaya lalabas siya. Right now, I'm going to sing my last song and then hopefully he and I will do a Sorry, my personality changes once in a while. But I'm good. He will be out very. Shoo! I love you too! Yeah, I used to live in the Bay Area. Yeah, in one of the garages in Daly City. Everybody know. Yeah. And for those who remember, I did perform with Stevie B, and we're doing a tour again. Freestyle music is going to come very, very soon. Kilala niyo ba si Stevie B? Tama? He discovered me when I was 18, and now I'm 55 next week. It's not a lie. It's the truth. Yes. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Thank you. And, but even at 55, I would like to sing a song that really gave me a name in the Philippines. After all that freestyle stuff, I was 26 years old when this song came out. Para po sa lahat ng mga heartbroken. And thank you for your support because even at 26 and now 55, it's still the same old heartbreak songs. Para sa lahat ng walang jowa. Translation. To those who have no one to love. Makakaya ko ba kung mawawala ka sa aking piling? Paano ba maaminin? Halik at yakap mo, di ko na kayang isipin. Kung may pananabik pa, wala ka na sa aking tabi. Tunay na di magbabalik ang Filipino artist from the Bay Area!
Ladies and gentlemen, the queen of soul herself, the ever beautiful Jaya.
O ganon. Sobrano Vasquez! Where? May mga kamay ba kayo? Yan. So, thank you.
Salamat tayo.
Hindi, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo kasi you allowed all of us Filipino artists to share the stage with you. Thank you very much. We're proud of you. I never doubted you one time. And like I said, timing is everything, but God has a better time for you. So this is it, you guys. Give them a big round of applause. Paano gagawin natin? Chichika?
Kakanta ba kami? Hindi, konting chika lang. Kanina nagkaroon kami ng breakfast. Iyakan kami. I didn't know we were crying. I guess it was just like Kim talking to us, right?
Actually, ganito po, the story was, we were in Los Angeles last week and weekends. We didn't get to see each other, I didn't get to see Cindy, I didn't get to see a lot of the people that I thought I was going to see because we're in one place. And I said, never mind. And then we came here, I was here Thursday, we saw each other and talked, really talked, tears this morning. And so like I said, I'm very proud of you.
Thank
But
you,
see, the
Lord.
thing is, just, alam mo, rather than taking the pressure of all this newfound fame, which you deserve, just enjoy it. Because everyone here will be in the same journey with you until you no longer want to do this. So all of them are ready, all of them are here, and they will remain with you till whenever you want. Ganun talaga yun.
We are so ready. I love you, Marvin.
I love you too. Uy! I love you too. Let's do this, brother. Oh, yeah. Saan galing yun? Vote for me. Magandang gabi po. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm loving this. It's a mixture of course, all American and Filipinos. And to the Filipinos, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. To everyone else that cannot speak and do not speak the Philippine language, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How y'all doing this evening? I'm not a comedian, I'm a singer. My mom was a comedian, right? The Filipinos know her. Elizabeth Ramsey, right? She's here, Ma. And no, she passed away. Yes. So sorry. Her spirit is here. Yes. She's sitting next to you. So happy to be here. Sofronio and I have known each other since, I'm not sure if it's around 2018, probably, when I was one of the judges of Tawag ng Tanghalan. That's where I saw and witnessed the greatness of Sofronio. But I knew something bigger was in store for him. God had His perfect timing for him. And I'm glad to see everyone here supporting Sofronio Vasquez! At dahil po dyan, mamaya lalabas siya. Right now, I'm gonna sing my last song and then hopefully he and I will do a Hoy!
Wala ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang ating pagmamahalan. Pagsusuyuan at tuluyan bang hayaan.
That's my husband's favorite.
Wala namang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di ko na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Ang bawat makakaya ba kung tuluyan ika'y wala na at di na makikita paano ang gabi kapag ika'y nakaalala. Saan ako pupunta? Wala ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang dating pagmamahalan. Pagsusuyuan at tuluyang pag-aayaan. Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan? Wala na bang pag-ibig? Wala na ang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and I'd like to ask you all to give a warm welcome to all of our OPM Filipino artists from the Bay Area!